Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bicycle shop business. Suppose as the owner of bicycle shop business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to help customers explore bicycle models, book test ride, and get quick support maintenance. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bicycle shop business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and we will also see how it responds. First of all, go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type "I want test ride." After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Hey there, welcome to Pedal Point Cycles, where every ride begins. How can we help you today? Now we have in three options: view models, book a test ride, get service info. Now we simply click on view models. Here's what we have in stock: mountain bicycle, road bicycle, electric bicycle. Now we have an options: book a test ride. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Awesome. Please share your full name. Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, you will see I am getting a response. Thanks test user. What type of bicycle are you interested in testing? Now I am typing mountain bicycle. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Great. What date and time work best for your ride? Now I am entering date and time. 25 May 2025 and time 10 AM. After entering date and time, you will see I'm getting another response. Test ride details, name test user, bicycle type, mountain bicycle, date and time, will confirm shortly. So you will see I'm getting the automatic responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section, which we have received on WhatsApp. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have Contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows, we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chat flow. Simply click on flows, and we want to create our new chat flow. Click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your bicycle shop business. Now we have two options: message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords: hello, hey, and shown. Why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. This format help us to trigger the chatbot. If the user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we have a choose template option. With the help of this option, we can also trigger our chatbot. Now we take text button and simply write message on it. Hey there, welcome to Paddle Point Cycles, where every ride begins. How can we help you today? Now we also add buttons. View models, book a test ride, get service info. Now we connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write some message on it. If user press view model button, then we will send over this message. Now we add media button and upload the media which I already downloaded. And enter the caption. Mountain bicycle, and you will see I am using asterisk. Asterisk is commonly used to bold the text. Now we add book now button. After adding book now button, now we take another media button. In this we also upload image which I already downloaded. And enter the caption. Rode bicycle. Also add book now button. Now we take another media box and upload the image. And enter the caption. Also add book now button. And save the flow. Now we take text button. If user press get service info button, then we will send over this message and simply connect get service info button to this message box. Now we take question box and ask a name from user. Awesome. Please share your full name. Now select the contact custom field. Full name. Also select the format, text format. Now connect book a test ride button to this question box. Also connect book now button to this question box. If user press book a test ride or book now button, then we will deliver our this message. Now we save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box and write some message on it. Thanks, $full name. What type of bicycle are you interested in testing? And you will see I am using a $sign. Why we use $sign? If user enter their name, the $sign replace their name with full name. Select the contact custom field, services, also select the format, text format. Now we connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date and time from user. Great. What date and time work best for your ride? Now we select contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format. Now we connect the question box to this box. Now we take text button and write our last message on it. Test ride details, name, bicycle type, date and time. Well, confirm shortly. Now connect this question box to this message box and save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot for bicycle shop business. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type a message, test ride. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Our chatbot will be triggered and proper working. Now we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.